Namaste. Thank you. Namaste. All the dicks. Thank you. All the. Namaskar. 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 Namaste. Namaste. Thank you. I think too far, eh? This applies to permanently here because of us today. Permanently?
It's the beginning of
Okay. She's a member? Oh. Namaste. Okay. Good. Why you are here today, madam? Good morning.
She's here for withdraw.
Oh, why is it urgent to withdraw today money?
Because household expenses.
How long you have been member?
30 वर्ष भयो it's 22 years.
Oh, can you say something about Chandragiri? What is your feelings about Chandragiri?
कस्तो लाग्छ
एकदम राम्रो लाग्छ आफ्नो फ्यामिली भएर जोडिएको छु जोइन भएको छु
family just she feels like a family.
फ्यामिली भएर जोडिएको छु
You know the name of the counter staff members?
उहाँलाई त्यो नाम थाहा छ
सबैको थाहा छ अलिअलि थाहा छ ज्योति रोशन मन्जु
Thank you so much.
उहाँहरू चाहिँ हाम्रो within the age of 2 years.
Right. What is the last saving product?
So member upliftment saving.
Okay.
Like wealth building.
Okay.
The specific name. So we name it specifically. Yeah. Sometimes one for the counseling and one for the reception service.
Oh, okay. Very good morning. So this is a long section, IT section. Good morning.
Compliance.
Okay. Good morning, finance and administrative. How are you doing today? Good. Not easy. Okay, this is your area.
It needs to be renovated, but we are working the structure.
Yeah. How long this building is being built?
Focusing to the light. Here is wardrobe also.
Okay.
Yes.
Namaste.
This area is for the microfinance.
Okay.
Before it was a library. Later on it is developed as a microfinance section.
There is a microfinance section. What specific role they are doing? What their specific role? What is its job? What is different from other members?
अरू सदस्य र लघु वित्तलाई चाहिँ के फरक छ त भन्ने कुरा गर्दा
You can Nepali.
हामी संस्थाको सदस्य र हाम्रो लघु वित्तको सदस्यमा चाहिँ हामी उहाँहरू जहाँ हुन्छ जहाँ आफ्नो एरिया हुन्छ नि उहाँहरू आफ्नो एरियामा गएर संस्थाको सेवा सुविधाहरू पनि गर्छौँ त्यस्तो पैसाहरू कलेक्सन गर्ने सानो सानो ऋणहरू लगानी गर्ने
Okay. How many microfinance members enrolled here now? 3,000. How many borrowers out of 3,000? Okay. So what is the maximum microfinance borrow? How about kind of business they are doing? What are they? Just what type of business? Animal husbandry or farming or small industry? What's it? Can I turn to you? How many members you are responsible out of microfinance? 60 groups. The total number of members. Each group, how many members? 25. 25, so then 60. Oh, very big. So how often you travel to their group meeting? They have a group meeting also? What is your role when you go to the group meeting? Which group is the best group you can remember out of the 60? Oh. You don't have any special group? Any good members? 5 members? Can you remember the name? Because of you, they've grown up, they have a business is very good. Any can remember? What is the age of that male or female? Okay, what is the age? She's married? Has children? No children? Okay. Do they go to school? Are they happy? Everybody because of you? How many staff in the microfinance sector? 4 people. It is a great honor to welcome you all to the next chapter. The agents of today represent our external partnership and state foreign growing the support.
Sorry, I have broken English. Okay. Respected guests, distinguished delegates, and
These are the cooperatives enrolled in this neighborhood, and these are the commercial banks and all the banks.
Okay, so we go in Nepali language.